Alright, this is probably going to be my last video I make on this board. Not because I'm getting rid of it, but because there's only so many videos you can make on a certain thing, and this board is just one of those things that, well, only really needs 2 videos. But anyhow, I'm going to turn this thing off. This will be testing some of the alarms. Now a good portion of these are, well, it's actually 50-50. So these ones here, I'm not testing for certain reasons. And these ones all down here, I will be testing. But I will be showing off all these units. And I'll explain why I can and can't test them. Well, I'll explain why I can't test some of them. So, yeah, let's get started. Alright, we're going to start off at the top here with my, well, actually not my newest acquisition. And this is the Family Guard FG888C I got from Leah Woods. And the reason I won't be testing this one is just because it's very loud and it's pretty late at night when we're recording this. But one of my most recent videos is on this, and I do test it. It just does your classic BRK coding, PCB. Oh, ignore any chirping. Alright, next one is kinda what this one's based off of, and that is the 79R BRK, and this one, you guys probably already know why I can't test this one. It falses, that's why. And it's the same as this one anyhow, so it's very loud. And it has a rare green PCB, and I had 2 of these. I gave one to Jaden Nelson, and he has a video of that, and he does test his. So yeah, this also does the BRK coding. Another BRK unit. This one is just the escape light version of that. This is the BRK 1200. And this one, the same reason I didn't test this one, it's very loud. It's got the same sound as these 2 units. And yeah, it's very late, but very cool unit. And this one's actually got the rare sensitivity thingy, which I didn't know was rare until recently. Well, I didn't know that. Alright, on to the last unit I can't test. This is another one that you guys probably might already know about, and this is the Sears. Don't know why I thought I remembered this off the top of my head, but this is the 302.57355, and this one, the harness on it broke, so battery doesn't connect, so it doesn't work, unfortunately. But still cool unit. Alright, now I'll get on to the ones I can test. So this one here is the General Electric 8201301. This was a unit I had been looking for a long time. So I'm glad I finally have one, and I'm glad I have one that's in good condition that works. Where's that? Oh, it's right there. So yeah, got this off eBay. I got all these off eBay for the most part. So yeah, anyhow, I'll give it a test. Alright, down to the next one, and ignore this. I took the battery out because it was annoying, because it keeps chirping. This one here is one of my older units. This is one of the units I've had since kind of like the beginning. And this is the Firenetics 0906 with a hush feature. These are uncommon to rare. And yeah, some of these actually recently we found out have the black one, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna slip that back on, and we're gonna give this a test. Yep, that is your classic 4.6, and this one has a star buzzer. That's another reason I really like these. So we'll do this one next. This is the BRK 86 RAC. This is a 2nd gen. I don't know why I was about to open that. But if I take this, ignore that, that's my heater. You guys should be well aware of that by now. Here's the back of it. Oh. And this is AC with battery backup, but of course I can't hook it up to AC with this board. Although I do believe in the video I made of this, I did test the battery, this with the battery backup and hardwire feature on, so that's pretty cool. So specific way that these go onto their brackets. Now we will give this a test, and without without AC, these are really quiet. So alright, well, dying sound. This battery is like dead, so it's acting up, but did test this like I said in my video. And last but not least, a pretty cool one of my only 9-volt squealer units, and that is the Guardian FB1A, which I will plug the battery in. Not really much to say about this. These are pretty common units. And yeah, so let's give this a test. That's what this is very Alright, so yeah. That was just a quick demo slash test of my display board, and this is probably the final variation I'll go through unless I get any other cool alarms, of course. But I'm pretty content with this display. I know these these 4 will definitely never change. I always change these ones up. So yeah, so I don't have any other videos planned for the most part. I was thinking about doing a testing video of testing all the alarms installed in where I live, but I don't think that's gonna be possible with the camera situation I have going on right now, so yeah. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next one. Oh, bye.